Alright, that last box took forever. It is still Saturday, March 19th, but it's now 10:27 a.m. And we are on to the last box of the 3-box break. That last box took forever. And now we're on to the classics. Cellophane off. Packs out. Packs are falling. Packs out. Empty box. First pack. Alright. Pierre Garçon for the Colts. Beanie Wells for the Cardinals. Matt Forte for the Bears. We already got our first hit here. Darren Sproles membership for the Chargers. Numbered 91 of 299. Chris Johnson for the Titans and Devon Bess for the Dolphins. Next pack. Tony Romo for the Cowboys. Vernon Davis for the 49ers. We got a rookie of Golden Tate for the Seahawks, numbered 729 of 999. Filler card. Darren Sproles for the Chargers, Andre Johnson for the Texans. We got Kevin Cobb for the Eagles, Calvin Johnson for the Lions. We got a dress code, Troy Polamalu for the Steelers, not numbered. Filler card, Lee Evans for the Bills, and Nate Burleson for the Lions. Pack, Steve Smith for the Panthers, Louis Murphy for the Raiders. We got a rookie, Timeless Tributes rookie. The other one timeless? No. Of Dez Bryant. Wow. That's nice. Numbered 25 of 25. I don't know if you can see that. 25 of 25. It's a nice little card. We got a filler card. We got Felix Jones for the Cowboys and Phillip Rivers for the Chargers. I like classics. Eddie Royal for the Broncos. John Carlson for the Seahawks. We got a Sean Lee rookie card for the another Cowboys, numbered 302 for $9.99. We have a filler card. Matt Schaub for the Texans and Kenny Britt for the Titans. Reggie Wayne for the Colts, Larry Fitzgerald for the Cardinals. We got a Ryan Grant Sunday's Best for the Packers, not numbered. Filler card, Adrian Peterson for the Vikings, Marshawn Lynch for the Bills. Wes Welker for the Patriots, Frank Gore for the 49ers. We have a legend card, Rod Smith for the Broncos, numbered 611 of 999. Got a filler card, Sean Green for the Jets, and Cadillac Williams for the Bucks. We got Aaron Rodgers for the Packers, Tom Brady for the Patriots. We have another legend card, Junior Seau for the Chargers, numbered 863 and 999. We got another filler, Ryan Grant for the Packers and Kellen Winslow Jr. for the Bucks. Tore that off. We got Michael Turner for the Falcons, Pierre Thomas for the Saints. We got a rookie of Sergio Kindle for the Ravens, numbered 922 of 999. Another filler card, Anquan Bolden for the Ravens and Eli Manning for the Giants. We got 3 more hits in this box. We got Jay Cutler for the Bears. We have a Timeless Tribute, Dallas Clark for the Colts. That's numbered 92 of 100. And we have Charles Scott for the Eagles, Significant Signatures. Rookie card, numbered 45 of 499. That's our second hit. We got a filler card, Ronnie Brown for the Dolphins and LaShawn McCoy for the Eagles. 2 hits left in this box. Got Jonathan Stewart for the Panthers, Jason Campbell for the Raiders. We have a 50th anniversary Cowboys, Bill Bates, not numbered. We have a filler card, Steve Smith for the Giants, Jerome Harrison for the Browns. Next pack. Deshaun Jackson for the Eagles, Kyle Orton for the Broncos. We have a classic combos, Derek Thomas and Junior Seau. This is going to go to the Chiefs. It's not numbered. Got another filler card, Matthew Stafford for the Lions and Donnie Avery for the Rams. Still a lot of talking. Next pack, TJ Houshmandzadeh for the Seahawks, Maurice Jones-Drew for the Jaguars. We got a Joe Hayden rookie card for the Browns, numbered 443 of 999. Another filler card, Dwayne Bowe for the Chiefs and Roddy White for the Falcons. Looks like we got 5 packs left. We got 2 hits in these 5 packs. We got Matt Ryan for the Falcons, Drew Brees for the Saints. We have a Javad Best rookie autograph, numbered 92 of 399. It's for the Lions. We got filler card. We got Brandon Jacobs for the Giants and Jake Delhomme for the Browns. Next pack, we got Cedric Benson for the Bengals, Ben Roethlisberger for the Steelers, another 50th anniversary for the Cowboys, Deion Sanders, not numbered. We've got filler, Hines Ward for the Steelers, Greg Jennings for the Packers. Chad Ochocinco for the Bengals, Rashard Mendenhall for the Steelers. We got a team colors, Jordan Shipley for the Bengals. I said that right, didn't I? Not numbered. We got a filler card, Josh Cribbs for the Browns, Antonio Gates for the Chargers. 2 packs left. Should be 1 hit in one of these 2 packs. We got Danny Amendola for the Rams, Mike Sims-Walker for the Jaguars. Classic triples for Eddie George, Curtis Martin, and Priest Holmes. This is going to the Titans. Not numbered. We got filler card, Steven Jackson and Jamal Charles. Last pack. Should be a hit in here. There it is, and we'll save it for last. Matt Castle for the Chiefs, Joe Flacco for the Ravens, Dallas Clark for the Colts, Chris Cooley for the Redskins, Sidney Rice for the Vikings, and a 4-color Mike Williams patch, prime patch for the Bucks. That's beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4 colors. Numbered 3 of 50. Very nice. Very nice. So that's the 3 boxes. I have another 3-box breakup for Certified, Prime, and Prestige. It's going to end on Friday. I think the date is the 25th. So check that out. And if you didn't get any hits, no one's going to walk away with less than $15 in book value from the break. Thank you.